Today, we're diving into the ATEC 24GB DDR3 ECC RDIMM RAM upgrade kit, designed specifically for servers and workstations craving a performance boost. Packing 6 4GB modules, this kit delivers a total of 24GB of memory, operating at a speed of 1333 MHz. Now, before we delve deeper, it's crucial to note that this kit is tailored exclusively for DDR3 servers and workstations, so desktop or laptop users, you're out of luck on this one. But for those in the server and workstation realm, this upgrade promises to ramp up your system's capabilities. ATEC emphasizes not just the quantity but also the quality of their modules, undergoing rigorous quality assurance testing to ensure dependable and reliable performance. Installation is straightforward, but as always, consulting your system's manual for proper memory seating and channel guidelines is recommended to ensure seamless integration. Once installed, users can expect a noticeable improvement in loading times, system responsiveness, and overall handling of heavier workloads. Now, let's talk about compatibility. ATEC explicitly states that this kit is not compatible with desktop or laptop computers, so make sure to verify your system's supported memory specifications before making the purchase. But here's the kicker: ATEC backs this product with a lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance of long-term support. Plus, they offer complimentary United States-based tech support, ensuring assistance before, during, and after your purchase. In summary, if you're looking to turbocharge your server or workstation's performance, the ATEC 24GB DDR3 ECC RDIMM RAM upgrade kit presents a compelling option. With its robust build, reliable performance, and comprehensive warranty, it's a choice worth considering for those seeking the best in server memory upgrades. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.